In this video I will provide a deep dive comparison and review of the Hosehawk Pro pressure washer to see if it truly stacks up against professional equipment. On paper, the manufacturer frames this as a revolutionary hydro power tool designed for universal compatibility with any standard garden hose. The promise of professional-style performance for cleaning driveways and siding without the heavy equipment is a major selling point. However, when comparing these bold marketing claims to actual consumer data, a significant contrast emerges. While the company promises an ergonomic, tool-free setup that makes outdoor cleaning faster and more affordable, the reality reflected in public forums tells a different story. Looking at the verified feedback on Trustpilot, the disconnect between the product description and the customer experience is substantial. The Hosehawk Pro currently holds a very low trust score of 1.7 stars out of 5, which is a major red flag for potential buyers. In comparison to other similar brands like Genhose or Jetrix, which maintain slightly higher ratings, Hosehawk Pro seems to struggle significantly with fulfillment and communication. Many customers have reported issues that go beyond the product's cleaning power, such as delayed shipping and a total lack of tracking information. For example, one recent reviewer mentioned waiting weeks for an order placed in June, with no shipping details ever sent to their email. When you compare the company's promise of a reliable outdoor cleaning solution to these reports of missing packages and poor customer support, the trade-off for the lower price point might not be worth the risk. It is a classic case of marketing highlights versus practical reliability. Ultimately, while the idea of a lightweight hose attachment for your deck and patio is appealing, the current sentiment suggests you should proceed with caution.